Our solar system is just one tiny part of a giant group of stars called the Milky Way galaxy. The solar system consists of the Sun and everything that orbits, or travels around, the Sun. This includes the 8 planets and their moons, dwarf planets, and countless asteroids, comets, and other small, icy objects. Solar system. First, let's say hello to the Sun. The Sun is like a big, warm ball of fire. It gives us light and helps plants grow. The Sun is at an average distance of about 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers, away from Earth. The Sun is in the center of our solar system. The Sun is the only star in our solar system. Next, we meet Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun and the smallest in the solar system. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and on average, it is 35 million miles away. It is a little bigger than Earth's moon. Then, we see Venus. Venus is super bright, and sometimes you can see it in the sky. It's the hottest planet in our solar system. The average distance of Venus from the Sun is 67 million miles. Venus spins backward, has a day longer than its year, and lacks any semblance of seasons. Now, look down. We are on Earth. Earth is our home, and it's the only planet with lots of water, plants, and animals. As mentioned earlier, the distance between the Earth and the Sun is 93 million miles. The Earth's distance from the Sun varies throughout the year due to its elliptical orbit. Next up is Mars, the red planet. Mars is covered in red dust and has the tallest volcano in the solar system. The average distance between the Sun and Mars is approximately 141.6 million miles. Phobos is Mars's inner moon. Deimos is Mars's outer moon. Here comes Jupiter, the biggest planet of all. Jupiter has big, beautiful stripes and a giant red spot that is a huge storm. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun. Its orbit is about 483 million miles away from our star. Jupiter has 95 moons that have been officially recognized. Don't forget Saturn. Saturn has amazing rings made of ice and rock. It looks like a hula hoop around the planet. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun in our solar system. It is about 886 million miles from the Sun. Saturn has 146 moons in its orbit. Up next is Uranus. Uranus is a blue-green color, and it spins on its side like a rolling ball. Uranus' distance from the Sun is 1.79 billion miles. This number is just an average, though. Uranus is the 3rd largest planet in our system and has a beautiful aquamarine color. Uranus has 28 known moons. Finally, we reach Neptune. Neptune is dark blue and has strong winds that blow super fast. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun. It orbits at an average distance of 2.8 billion miles. Neptune is the only planet in our solar system that is not visible to the naked eye. Neptune has 16 known moons. Dwarf planets. These are similar to regular planets but do not clear their orbital path of other debris. Notable dwarf planets. Pluto. Pluto used to be called the 9th planet, but now it's a special kind of planet called a dwarf planet. Pluto is very cold and has a heart-shaped region on its surface. Eris. Eris is a dwarf planet that's almost as big as Pluto. It lives far away in a very cold place. Eris is so far away that it takes about 557 years to go around the Sun once. Haumea. Haumea is shaped like an egg because it spins very fast. It has 2 tiny moons. Haumea's quick spin makes it look stretched out, almost like a football. Makemake. Makemake is another dwarf planet that's far away from the Sun. It's named after a god from Easter Island. Makemake is covered in ice and is very bright because it reflects sunlight. Asteroids. Small rocky bodies, mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Ceres is the largest asteroid and also classified as a dwarf planet. Comets. Icy bodies that originate from the outer regions of the solar system, such as the Kuiper belt and Oort cloud. They develop tails when they approach the sun. Meteoroids. Small rocky or metallic bodies in space. When they enter Earth's atmosphere and burn up, they are called meteors. If they reach the ground, they are called meteorites.